In this video we are going to talk about how to open NPS account and the benefits associated with these are all the news items appeared in various newspapers related to NPS. So NPS is gaining a lot of popularity nowadays. NPS was introduced for old age income security for Indian citizens aged between 18 to 65 years, and this scheme is also introduced to NRIs and also overseas citizens of India. In NPS, each subscriber will have a PRAN, which is called Permanent Retirement Account, and the subscriber has the choice to select the fund managers to manage his funds, but also the asset allocation and investment choice. And he can contribute any amount. And in NPS there are two types of accounts, one is tier 1 and tier 2. In tier 1 the tax benefits are available, and in tier 2 it's like your investment account where you can put any number of money and also you can take out as per your needs. So at the age of retirement or after reaching 60 years, you have to take out 60% of your corpus by way of lump sum withdrawal, and the balance amount 40% you have to necessarily give it to annuity service providers or insurance companies to buy annuity. So in this video we will talk about the tax benefits associated with the NPS and also the process to open NPS accounts. So NPS was introduced in the year 1/1/2004 for central government employees of Government of India. And after central government, various state governments adopted NPS for its employees. So any citizens, Indian citizens in the age group of 18 to 65 years can open NPS accounts. So NPS is having more than 3.5 lakh crores of assets under management and 4.2 crore subscribers. This scheme is managed by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. So NPS is a voluntary defined contribution retirement savings account, and this scheme is managed by Government of India through PFRDA via its Parliamentary Act, PFRDA Act 2013. There are a lot of attractive tax benefits available under NPS, and you can also take out money up to 25% of your contributions as per specific needs as defined by PFRDA. So there are additional tax benefits, and if your corporate or if your employer is ready to roll out NPS on behalf of you. So let us discuss about tax benefits under NPS. So under section 80 CCD1, you get tax benefits of 1.5 lakhs under 80 section 80 CCE. So this 1.5 lakhs benefits is available for NPS and also your housing loan, education expenses and medical, all the benefits. So there is an exclusive tax benefit to NPS subscribers under section 80 CCD 1B. This tax benefit of this section is available only for NPS. You can invest up to 50,000 rupees and you can claim the exclusive tax benefits. So this 50,000 is over and above 1.5 lakhs. So by investing in NPS, you can claim tax benefits up to 2 lakhs. So there are a lot of queries are coming asking for, should I invest separately or voluntarily should I deposit 50,000 rupees to claim benefits under 80 CCD 1B? No. So in NPS the total tax benefits are 2 lakhs, which is 1.5 lakhs plus 50,000 exclusive tax benefits. So there are tax benefits under corporate sector also. Under 80 CCD 2, employers NPS contribution on behalf of employee subject to the cap of 10% of the salary, which is basic and DA, which can be deductible from the taxable income up to 7.5 lakhs rupees. So this 7.5 lakhs rupees is introduced during the year. Last year there was no such cap. So employer, whatever they put up to 10% of the salary, basic plus DA, the company or the corporate can deduct it as business expenses from the profit and loss account. So how to open NPS account? You can open the account through physical if you are opening the account through physical, you have to visit the branches which deal with NPS. It may be banks or non-banks. And online also you can open by using your bank account number and PAN or Aadhaar number. So this is the application form. First page of the application form is displayed here. You can download it from the PFRDA website or the NSDL or Karvy website. So this application form you can fill it physically, or you can also complete the process online. So physical mode of NPS account opening. How to open physically? So you visit this link npscra@nsdl.co.in at POPSPPHP. So if you click this link, you will get this information, and you can put the state where you live in and also the location. It displays the nearest NPS branches where you can go and open the account by giving the form. So there are a lot of people not comfortable in doing physically. They are comfortable in online mode. Online mode gives convenience and also ease 24/7. So these NPS accounts are called eNPS. It's an NPS Trust website link. You go to the link and you get option to go for CRA1 or CRA2. CRA1 is NSDL and Karvy is the CRA2. As per your choice, you can go for any of the CRA. Proceed further. If you are going for NSDL, then this is the process. Go for new registration and provide your offline Aadhaar number and eKYC, or give your permanent account number, which is followed by your bank account number and IFSC. So this is the link for eNPS of NSDL. You can go to this link to open the account. And if you are going for Karvy, again same screen available for you. You can put your Aadhaar number, or you can put your PAN number along with the bank account number to proceed further. This is the link of Karvy eNPS link for registration. So you can open online accounts, which is eNPS accounts, either through bank accounts or Aadhaar. So if you are using PAN, you have to give your bank account number and also IFSC code. If you are using Aadhaar, you can provide offline Aadhaar. So what is offline Aadhaar? It's a paperless and physical Aadhaar you can download from the UIDAI website. For that, you should have the registered mobile number in the UIDAI records. This is the UIDAI link where you can download Aadhaar paperless offline eKYC. If you download your Aadhaar data from here, then upload it in the NSDL or Karvy website to open your account. All banks, wherever you have bank accounts, definitely you can select those banks to open account online. But the difference between Aadhaar and bank account is, the bank account, it takes a maximum of 4 to 5 days to open the account, to activate your account. But in the case of Aadhaar, then account opening is instantaneous. So customers of banks, of all these banks, can open account through online. Once your online process is over, you have to upload your photo, passport size photo, cropped signature you have to upload, and also PAN card you have to upload along with a copy of the check to prove your bank account number. So then make the payment online. Finally, you e-sign. Again, it is working based on the Aadhaar number. If you don't have e-signature or your e-signature is failing, then you print and dispatch the form to the respective CRA where you have opened